Hello everyone, welcome to Thiqa Refrigeration. In today's video, I'll show you how to connect a Honeywell digital thermostat to a fan coil unit, FCU, and an electric valve actuator step by step. If you're working in HVAC or just starting, this guide will help you understand the wiring clearly. Components: Honeywell digital thermostat, fan coil unit, FCU, electric valve actuator, power supply, electrical wires and basic tools. Make sure everything is ready before we start the wiring. Safety. Before starting, always make sure the power supply is turned off to avoid any electrical hazard. Step number 1. Thermostat connection. Now, let's start with the thermostat wiring. Connect the power supply wires to the thermostat terminals. Step number 2. FCU connection. The thermostat will control the fan speed and operation of the FCU. Make sure each wire is connected to the correct terminal for proper functioning. Step number 3. Valve actuator. This actuator controls the flow of chilled or hot water. Connect it to the thermostat output so it opens and closes based on temperature settings. Testing. After completing all connections, turn on the power supply. Set the thermostat and check fan operation, valve opening and closing, overall system performance. Make sure everything is working correctly. That's it for today's video. Please, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.
Thanks for watching.